Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys like a partial house tour because who doesn't love a house tour? I feel like I've put up a lot of fall/Halloween stuff and it's worth showing. Without further ado, let's get into it. My house is pretty much an open concept. When you walk through the front door, you can see the kitchen, and the kitchen is definitely my favorite like spot in the house, just period, end of discussion, because hello, it is literally my dream kitchen and you can get so much cooking done in here. Half-halt, you being cute? He says I am. This is where little pumpkin girl likes to lay on her little bed. And then she has her toys over there, another bed, and that's where she eats her dinner. I have my lunchbox there from when I go to the barn. My mother pothos plant that I propagate all the time. This is where the animals drink. Got these bar stools from Amazon. Most of my stuff is from Amazon. We were house hunting. I really wanted this white kitchen. Like that was the look that I specifically wanted. I had to put some clings on the microwave because why not? Happy fall, y'all. My KitchenAid I got from the farmer's market today. Piece of decor, just period. It's from Hobby Lobby and I love it. The lantern, I have this chicken from the antique store and this little bouncing gnome from Dollar Tree. Here is my little pothos farm where I put all of my propagations and try to have them be mature plants. Over here, I have a plant that I'm gonna propagate soon. I have an umbrella plant over there. 2 propagations here that were given to me. I decided to put these like wreaths up. This Dollar Tree ghost that's hanging. For my coffee bar, I basically just added a faux pumpkin and then a real pumpkin from the store that was like $5. I added that little gnome that has pumpkin spice seasoning in it. An espresso machine, which is from Walmart. A little Dollar Tree thing right there. I absolutely love window clings. I got a comment on my YouTube where someone was like, you remind me of the grandma who's like super prepared for her grandkids to come over. And I was like, I'm pinning this comment. Thank you so much. So here's another view of my kitchen. It genuinely is a very large space. The only thing that I would change is getting like the fancy thing over the stove, like the range, and getting like a pot filler, you know what I mean? Kitchen literally just feeds right into the dining room area. Have a little chandelier. See a little mirror, which I put clings on for the season. This is kind of like, this stays up all year round, but this is like spooky for the season. And then this is the broom that I decorated last year. Do a new DIY this year, doing another broom. Set up with my soda stream. It says pick your poison. I have a little Dracula gnome and a little Sherpa pumpkin down here. Get down, boy. I eat dinner. I don't like eating on the couch because my couch is like basically white. So I usually sit here and eat dinner. I love plaid. It's one of my favorite patterns. Pine cones that I picked myself. Fake pumpkins. And just like something to make like a little centerpiece, and like 2 little Dollar Tree candles. I have no control over my cats, so like if that bothers you, you might want to just click away from this video because they literally climb on all of my stuff. Okay, now from the front door, you can also just see this. So this is the living room, and I really created like a space here by defining like the lines of just like creating a living room. As you can see, I put stuff down so the cats will not scratch. I have 2 cat trees over here. A lot of people wonder like, how do your cats not scratch all this stuff? You'll see their room, but they have 2 cat trees here in the living room, which are huge. This is a giant birds of paradise, my monstera, my beloved fiddle fig tree that everyone's like, is that a fiddle fig tree? Like, yeah. Like apparently this thing's like an orchid, and yet I have it like grown almost to the ceiling. This little plant over here, and then I just added that cute little ghost right there today. But this is basically the view from the TV. I have a little tray that I got from Target, candle, little plant propagations. That's from Target, the ottoman. I don't feel like buying like fall pillows, so I just put that little ghost. These 2 sofas are from Ashley Furniture. They're called, I think, like the Maggie or something. They come in a set or you can get them individually. They are so comfortable. This is the first like sofa set I've ever had as like an adult, and I absolutely do not regret it at all. Then this is what it looks like facing the front door. I have this grow light on this big plant here because look at her. The front door, so we have a little picture of a finch. Then we have a little mirror from Five Below. It says welcome autumn. These are just like Dollar Tree signs. This is like the entryway little like table. One thing I love on here is this gnome. Absolutely love this gnome. I don't even remember where I got this gnome, but I love it. And then like other things that I will just use for decor that's free, leaves that I find, I'll just dry them and I'll also just have them as decor. Okay, now we're in the guest bathroom, and in the guest bathroom I've put out just basically this little cutesy thing. Pretty much it, other than this over the toilet. I've gotten 2 new plants. You guys are probably like, geez, we did not know she had this many plants. Yes, baby. It keeps me very occupied. This is a neon pothos that I'm gonna propagate to make more, and then this is an elephant's food plant. Here's another Dollar Tree sign. Practically, this chair doesn't really make sense in the room because like no one's gonna sit here, but I keep my ukulele there in case like inspiration strikes, or if I just feel like playing the ukulele and singing around my house because there's like really high ceilings, and let's be real, if I'm belting in here, the neighbor's about to call the cops. Now, in my bedroom, I do not have my bed or anything set up for fall really yet. This is why it's a partial house tour, but I do have a really big TV, and I put this under it. This is a dried philodendron leaf that I put up. Then I put that up. I don't know, just something slight. Something I did that I think is really cute is this is dried eucalyptus. So this is from, I think originally Trader Joe's. You can get this for like $5. Essentially, once it's done in your shower, you can dry it and put it in like a big vase like this. Okay, so this room in my house is actually dedicated to my cats. They have another cat tree in here. They have their bowl of food. It is protected by a baby gate, so no dogs can get in here. They can climb. They have a litter box in here. There is a TV in here. Recently put this couch in here, but I have the baby gate up so that none of the dogs can get in here and the cats can genuinely like escape anyone and anything. Pumpkin Girl is locked up. Is not allowed in this hallway at all because that's the laundry room, which is where another kitty, we have another kitty thing here. This is my laundry room where I do laundry. That is my garage. Then when you first enter from the garage, we have my husband's guitar, his electric guitar right here on display. And then this really beautiful picture of mushrooms, which is also like fall related. Okay, now we're in my bathroom, which let's be real, this is my dream bathroom. I love this bathroom. I put up all these shelves, not me, but someone else put up all those shelves, and I have all these products up, all my stuff. I have my makeup brushes drying over there. Here to make it spooky, I put out my crystal ball as always, amethyst, and this little thing from Target Dollar Spot that lights up. So then like looking this way, so you guys can get like the full view of what my bathroom looks like. Over here, for my bedroom walls, a lot of people comment saying I don't have stuff on my walls. I do, but I'm very minimalist when it comes to my walls, meaning I don't want to paint anything. I want it to stay white. Above my bed, I just have this little tapestry from Amazon and 2 dream catchers. The one on the left I've had since I was born. The one on the right, my mom bought for me. Then that's my walk-in closet. And I also have these string lights and cute like vines up so that it can be vibes in here. I guess this is kind of fall related, but this is my like perfume stand, and YSL sent me their flowers and flames, but fall related really is Fineries Not Another Cherry. Like this cherry scent plus their Midnight Cafe, or this cherry scent plus either the Valentino perfume that I have or this Flowers and Flames YSL, perfection. Literally get so many compliments. I have these little bells at the front door from Dollar Tree. Oops. Then we have my front entryway. So I have a little like package station here where the delivery drivers can put packages. Then they can see their little stand here. They can take whatever they want. I have a plant that lives out here because it's actually happier out here than inside. As you can see, it's like making little babies. I have a little thank you delivery driver sign, and then I switched this to the Welcome gnome because I love this because it switches. And it says, hey friends. Mushroom welcome sign and that wreath, which are both from Hobby Lobby. Door is green, which I think is really cool. Another thing I love about my house is that I have these 2 giant palm trees. Now, this is my little pitiful yard. I just got it weeded. Still pitiful because everything has died here. You know, over the summer, it's been 120 degrees. Everything has died, but I did put up some Dollar Tree stuff, the little solar lights. I try to make this garden less pitiful looking and add some more plants, add some mums, something. Here's kind of a close-up of one of my fairy gardens. If you want to make a fairy garden, you just put a bunch of little figurines, buy a plant. Snail, because a toad is riding it. That's my prickly pear cactus, or my cinnamon ears cactus, bunny ears cactus, whatever you want to call it. That thing, I swear to, everything died except for that. Every single cactus I had scorched in the sun with the 120-degree heat except for this one. I'm so proud of it. So yeah, when you come into my house, I'm standing right at the front door. This is exactly what you see. So then I'll show you guys my backyard. I have this little rug, and here we are. I really think that it's charming. It's different because, you know, we're in Nevada, but I think that my yard is charming. It's the fairy garden section when you first walk up, and there's roses and they're already blooming, and I'm so happy. Finally, the summer is over and fall is here. I have my infamous fairy garden, and it seems like there's a visitor at the cafe today eating a carrot and baking some soup. Love my fairy garden so much. I'm obsessed with it. I have a little bird bath right there, and then an orange tree. My Mexican fan palm, which grew on its own. It's huge. And then rosemary. Rosemary here is flowering. Yay. This is my orange tree that I got for fall. Hopefully it bears fruit, we'll see. Cute swing. I love this. You can find this on Amazon. Some more seating over here. And then every plant has their own little like irrigation pump. So I just got everything weeded, which is why it looks actually good back here. It was a disaster before. That's my rocking chair. I love to watch the stars in that. Tree, which I have up with a tie-down strap just in case, because it is dainty and the wind is blowing. Then I have my corn garden. Yes, I said my corn garden. This is all sorghum, broom corn that is growing naturally / on purpose. So yeah, y'all, that's just like a little tour of what I have going on at the house right now. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what types of blow-ups I should get for the front, because I'm getting blow-ups. Trick-or-treaters are going to be terrified when they come to my house this year. Comment what you're doing for fall. I want to know how you guys are decorating, if you put up decorations yet, or if you're waiting. I want to know. I love you guys very much. Bye.